Again, what is rarefaction? Anyone? Yes.
The distance.
Raise your hand if you want to answer.
The distance between spread out by
Yes. Rarefaction. Yes.
rarefaction is the more spread out.
Okay, so that is the more spread out part of the wave. So as you can see here in the illustration, waves here are spread out or are distant with one another. But how about what do you call this part of the wave which is denser than the other parts of its wave? Yes. Okay, so we have this what we call compression. And the distance between two compression is what we call wavelength. Okay? So now let's proceed to the second type of the wave, which is the transverse wave. So how do you imagine a wave if you're asked to imagine or if to illustrate a wave? Okay, it's like that one, right? So we have that particular illustration of a wave is what we call transverse wave. Okay? So let's start with the parts of a transverse wave. So what do you call this highest point of wave? Crest. Okay. So crest, that is what we call crest. Crest is the highest point of a transverse wave. So all of the point or the highest point in this particular illustration is what we call crest. But how about the lowest point of a wave? So that is true. So all the points here in the lower part of the wave is what we call true. Okay, how about the resting line in the middle of the wave? Equilibrium. Okay, very good. So that is what we call equilibrium. Okay, so since we all know that all waves has a wavelength, so we have this term wavelength, which is the distance between two crests or two throats. So that is what we call wavelength. And then another part of this transverse wave is what we call amplitude. So what do you think is that part?